It was the winter of 1932, during the darkest days of the Great Depression. Snow covered the streets of a small town in Ohio. The wind was sharp, the stores were quiet, and hunger was a feeling many had learned to ignore. 10-year-old Billy Jenkins walked slowly down Main Street, his breath turning to mist in the air. In his mitten, he held something precious, a small silver coin. A nickel. That morning, he had overheard his parents whispering in the kitchen. They spoke in low voices. "There's no more flour," his mother had said. "I used the last of the sugar yesterday," his father replied. "And payday is still 2 weeks away." Billy hadn't meant to listen, but he did. And in that moment, he decided he had to do something, anything, to help. The coin had been tucked inside a wooden box in the attic. It once belonged to his grandfather. Billy found it just a few weeks earlier, hidden beneath old letters and dusty photos. To most people, it was worth 5 cents. To Billy, it was hope. He passed the bakery, where the smell of fresh bread made his stomach ache. He passed the candy shop, where 2 boys stood outside, staring through the frosted glass. But Billy didn't stop. He walked straight to the little grocery store on the corner. A bell jingled as he pushed open the door. "Good morning, Billy," said Mr. Harris, the old shopkeeper. Billy took a deep breath. "Good morning, sir. I came to buy some flour, just a little bit, for my mom." He reached up and placed the nickel on the counter. Mr. Harris looked at the coin, then at the boy's worn coat and shivering hands. Without a word, he walked into the back room. Billy stood there alone, heart pounding. Was it enough? Would Mr. Harris turn him away? Had he made a mistake? Then Mr. Harris returned. He placed a small paper bag on the counter, then another and another. "There you go," he said. "Some flour, a bit of sugar, a few potatoes, and a couple of apples I had left in the back." Billy stared in disbelief. "But I only have a nickel," he whispered. Mr. Harris smiled. "Lucky for you," he said. "Everything here happens to cost exactly 5 cents today." Billy's eyes sparkled. "Thank you, sir. Thank you so much." He carried the bags home carefully, holding them like treasure. When he walked into the house, his mother gasped. "Billy, where did you get all this?" He told her everything, the attic, the store, and the kindness of Mr. Harris. His father placed a hand on his shoulder. "That was brave," he said, "and kind." That night, they ate fresh bread, boiled potatoes, and warm apples sprinkled with sugar. It wasn't much, but it was everything. And for the first time in weeks, their small kitchen was filled with warmth, laughter, and hope.